What's up guys, this is Alec from Blackhouse Vapor Company, and today we are taking a look at the top 3 selling juice flavors at Blackhouse this summer. So if you want to find these flavors and many more, you can find them online at blackhousevapor.com, or you can come down to our shop at 2148 South, 900 East. Try them out for yourself and see if it's something for you. But let's get into it.
Are you listening? Damn.
So the first flavor we're going to cover is Janis. Janis is a strawberry and cream flavor, but it's not your typical strawberry and cream flavor. It's got a graham cracker note to it as well, which adds a little bit of honey as an undertone, and that helps cut through some of the heavy cream flavor that you might get in it. Generally, people don't like to do creamy flavors during the summer just because they're a little too heavy. They generally opt for something more fruity, more light, maybe mentholy, but the Janis with the undertone of honey helping cut through that cream really makes itself a viable flavor year round. So the second flavor lined up in our summer showcase is going to be Blondie On Ice, this guy right here. Blondie On Ice is a honeydew, watermelon, raspberry, blueberry, and huckleberry blend, and the on ice obviously meaning that it's mentholated. The menthol is not understated, it's definitely like a mild to a medium menthol. It's not overpowering, but it's definitely present, but it's an absolutely fantastic flavor. Super refreshing for the summer, super fruity and sweet. Actually one of my personal favorites. We do carry a non-mentholated version of it called just Blondie, but Blondie and Blondie On Ice, both really great flavors, both worth trying this summer. Last but not least, on our summer flavor showcase, we've got Reverb. Reverb is a newer flavor to Blackhouse. It's gonna be a Fuji apple blended with berries. It's absolutely fantastic. Again, another super refreshing flavor for the summer. Apple flavors tend to really hit off in summer, and I think part of it is it's just that crisp apple flavor really makes more sense in the summer when it's hot, and it's gonna be super refreshing. So Reverb has definitely been selling super well, and it makes perfect sense. All right, that was our quick summer juice showcase. The 3 top juices this summer at Blackhouse. You can go online at blackhousevapor.com and check them out, or you can come down to the shop, 2148 South, 900 East, taste them here for yourself, see if it's something for you, or find another Blackhouse flavor that is for you. Thanks for watching, guys. This is Alec from Blackhouse. Till next time.